I'm driving back to the suburbs from Chicago after picking up a relative. Here comes the cyclist who is coming up on your right, and I'm going to show respect to the cyclist by not tailgating him, which is what you're supposed to be doing when you encounter cyclists on the road. But then here we have this piece of shit Lincoln Navigator who thinks it violates car masculinity. Light changes to yellow. I made it through, but the piece of shit Lincoln Navigator runs it. He proves his toxic masculinity by squeezing his giant horse SUV between cars to drive on the wrong side. It was all just to go onto the left turn pocket to turn left, which had got him nowhere, and a honking war ensues. This horse-ass Lincoln Navigator needs to get a real class on bicycle sharing with cars on the road, so he doesn't drive like a horse anymore. I wish I could teach this piece of shit Lincoln Navigator a lesson by not making the light on purpose or throwing up a not so nice gesture, but it ain't worth getting a ticket by CPD for road rage. Which, to be fair, he should have pulled over the Lincoln Navigator for cheating on the wrong side of the road. It was an unmarked CPD car. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.